आप ऐसा भी नहीं करते कि एक बार पैसा लिया और वो छोड़ दिया. You follow dream job again with 20 lakh package.
Do you want your dream job in this pandemic? क्या आपको आपकी dream job चाहिए in this pandemic? Are you having some issues about not having the right job in this pandemic? Then watch this success story of our participant. My name is Siddharth Shah. I am the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. What a success story in this pandemic. Vinayak Sangle from Pune, and again pandemic last May the company, a multinational company, shut down office in India, and he was not having a job, but he entered the academy in the month of Jan, and he right now has got his dream job. So congratulations Vinayak ji for this awesome success story. Thank you so much. Just एक छोटा एक introduction करिए ना सर हमारे audience के लिए please.
Thank you, Siddharth sir. Thank you very, very much to allow me to join and realize the power of subconscious mind. My introduction is I am Vinayak Sangle. I was senior manager purchase in earlier organization. The earlier organization get shut down due to various reasons. In pandemic, this setback all of us, many people has gone out of their job.
Yes.
And the impact is on mind, greatest impact in mind, how to go ahead. So I was also suffering from same impact, and I joined in Think and Grow Rich Academy.
So Vinayak ji,
without job, I take the decision to take waste 10,000 rupees and join the join the Think and Grow Rich. So that is the courage I have taken. But I got the dream job again with 20 lakh package, and this 10,000 investment is nothing with respect to this. What
awesome.
I get.
Awesome. I think very nice. Congratulations for that.
Thank you.
Vinayak ji, आप last May में कुछ jobless because of the company shutting down.
Last September में last 1st of October से मैं जॉब ढूंढ रहा था. वैसे पहले भी ढूंढ रहा था, but since due to pandemic it is very difficult to hire people for the organizations.
Yes.
But it is what we think is just mind's obstacles which is taught by you.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. So right now you are the chief purchase officer of this particular new company, and you made something, is it 25 years plus experience है आपके पास. तो आपने भी अपने करियर में बहुत सारी ट्रेनिंग की होगी, तो आपने क्या स्पेसिफिक क्या किया आपने ये प्रोग्राम में आकर के?
See, this program has a power of gathering together and making the echo of it can be possible, it can be done. This is growth is possible, and everyone saying is growth, and that echo is amplified in your body in every cellular level. This is the magic of this program.
Awesome.
This is first thing. Then second thing is that you asked to set the goals, and I realized power of goal card. I followed everything that you have taught to me, and I got the results and money in the bank now.
Yes, money in the bank. That's what
is the power of this program.
Yes, wonderful. So Vinayak ji, you were always into reading and Think and Grow Rich. You followed some of the mentors internationally. Can you just tell me about that, sir?
Yeah, I followed Think and Grow Rich since 20 years. 20 years back, I read. It impacted. Book has impacted in subconscious mind. But I also followed the Bob Proctor, T. Harv Eker, Joy Dispenza, then Tony Robbins, Jim Rohn.
Wow.
And they are on video. Whereas Siddharth Shah is live, I can TikTok in live, and this is most powerful and most impact to me. See, you will get the goosebumps when we talk live.
Exactly.
That is the power of this live courses.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you for that. Even these are my mentors. No, whatever name which you mentioned, even I follow them. But yes, being live is a very different feeling, and I completely get that. Thank you for that.
Thank you.
So Vinayak ji, let's say जैसे आप आए थे academy में and you had a risk because तभी आपके पास job नहीं था. You didn't have a job at that time. But still you invested the money, and something happened. You started to trigger. You followed some of the principles. कुछ going the extra mile principle हमारा बहुत powerful principle है. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे? What did you actually got in that principle?
See, before joining the program, I am expecting the results quickly, and I am not focusing on going the extra miles. Then you taught me what is the magic of going the extra mile in each and every area, not in the service area.
Right.
Life start transforming and breakthroughs happening. And not only I realize in your program that everyone is going achieving breakthroughs.
Yes.
So this is the power of extra mile.
Amazing. I think that's the best part, and I think getting this principles of going the extra mile and following it, Vinayji, now sky is the limit for
Yes,
you.
yes,
to go
yes, sure.
So, Vinayji, you entered the academy. So, you came for the Friday mastermind call. जो भी हमने बोला वो सब आपने किया. कुछ बताएंगे exactly आप क्या करते थे, so that people can actually learn from you, your success story.
So, beauty of being a jobless that you can attend each and every program. So I followed each and every day to you. I joined each and every Friday, and it is like a booster.
Yes.
So booster in every area. So really, so very good. I want to say that people are joining the program at depleted levels.
Yes.
I want to give a message to the all of us,
Yes.
or all of one. Join where it is as it is. Do not wait to deplete your energy in
Yes.
all terms by money, by mindset, and those things. Join at is 10,000 is nothing. You will get the results. Sky is the limit.
Awesome, amazing. So, Vinayji, one more thing I wanted to ask you, that there are many initiatives which we have taken in the group. You know, it's a live program. The community is very active. We have our Friday mastermind call for lifetime. So now also, आपका एक goal achieve हो गया है, तो अभी भी हम आपको छोड़ेंगे नहीं जब तक आपके आगे सारे goals achieve नहीं होते हैं. So it's a never ending story. It's a life.
My goal card I have shared to you.
Yes.
I have written the 1,000 crore. So मैं भी आपको छोड़ूंगा नहीं जब तक मिलेगा नहीं.
Sure, thank you for that, Vinayak ji. So Vinayak ji, of people, you know, right now pandemic situation बहुत badly hit कर दी है, you know, economies, companies and the business is not up to the mark. So general trend वो रहता है, and in that trend, when you set your goal, you made your goal that this is what I want, and you followed the principles, and you believe that we become what we think about, and आपने वो goal achieve कर दिया. तो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल अभी क्या है आप में, कि आपकी सोच के ऊपर आपकी कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल की आप बात करेंगे?
See, confidence level is very high because I realized the applied faith. So this applied faith, when you realize, then it will never drag down in your rest of your life.
Right.
The second thing, even if your mindset goes down, go to the Friday session and again take a boost. So life is cyclic. So whenever you are at a lower level, go to Siddharth Shah, call him. Then he will do another magic.
Awesome. Thank you so much for trusting Vinayak ji. तो मुझे बताएंगे सर कि अभी समझो आगे चल के समझो ये आपको 20 lakhs का पैकेज का आपको ड्रीम जॉब मिल गया है, एंड आई एम श्योर अप्लाइंग द प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच, आप you'll go the extra mile, आप अप्लाइड फेथ से काम करेंगे और यू आर गोइंग टू गिव लॉट ऑफ वैल्यू टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आप अपने आप को बहुत डेफिनेटली आप सर्व करेंगे. तो नेक्स्ट अब आपके लिए जो मंजिल है, तो उसके लिए आप अभी तैयार हो रहे हो फॉर द नेक्स्ट गोल?
See, with Think and Grow Rich, I learned and I subconsciously impregnated that we have to impact on others' life.
Right.
And that's why I am ready for 24 hours.
Wow, very nice. That's really powerful, Vinayak ji. कुछ फाइनल मैसेज कुछ देना चाहेंगे विनायक जी हमारे ऑडियंस जो, बिकॉज ये जॉब जो सिनेरियो है, पीपल वुड बी लुकिंग अप टू यू दैट यू नो इन दिस पेंडेमिक कैसे आपको आपका ड्रीम जॉब मिला. So somebody would be wanting to struggle कि क्या करें, I mean how do we apply this to people? What would you recommend? क्या recommend करेंगे आप?
See, I recommend that you join the Think and Grow Rich program blindly and see the magic. This magic will happen in all terms, in all part or areas of your life, right from mindset to your relationship to money in bank, everything.
Awesome.
And don't expect anything. Just join and follow the principles. You will see the magic around you.
Awesome, amazing, wonderful. Thank you so much, Vinayak ji, for your kind words. And this is the trust which we really want to have from the participants. I really want to thank you and congratulate you for your success story in
Thank
this
you.
pandemic. आप jobless थे, but फिर भी you trusted us, and you made a decision to join the academy. तो आपने goal cards बनाए, आपने rituals follow किए, Friday mastermind call पे आते थे, and you applied the entire principles of thinking जो 90 videos में बताया है. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is
One thing I remember when I first joined Friday program night, and I was depressed and weak tone, and you said me that Vinay, your tone is low, so it is nothing. You just trust and follow the principles. I joined. I asked many questions before joining, and now I feel that was silly.
Yeah, it's okay, because see, you're coming from a corporate world, and maybe you have gone through many training programs. You must be thinking one more online program, one more training. अभी job नहीं है, अभी वापस फुकट का investment करना पड़ेगा. So all these questions are there. So that's absolutely fine, as long as we are able to make you have that belief system that this is not like any other online program. This is not like any other community where एक बार तो क्या पैसा देके कोई मुड़ के भी देखता नहीं है अभी, ऐसा होता है.
Correct. But this program you have really wonderful technique. So आप ऐसा भी नहीं करते कि एक बार पैसा लिया और वो छोड़ दिया. You follow through mail, through SMS, and through Friday sessions.
Yes.
So and boosting the participant like anything.
Awesome.
So you have taken that responsibility. That is very, very good.
No, this is our duty, sir. Since you trusted us, being jobless, you trusted us, that then it's our responsibility that we should over deliver. That's the power of Think and Grow Rich. That's what
and that's why I realized the power of extra mile, going the extra mile.
Yes, wonderful. Very nice, Vinayak ji. So I really want to congratulate you for this amazing success story. I'm sure people watching your interview would definitely get inspired that how you can attract your dream. This is not law of attraction. This is not law of attraction.
It is an effortless success when you join the Think and Grow Rich.
Amazing, wonderful, very nice. Congratulations once again, Vinayak ji, for your success story. And I'm sure, I know that you are committed for your time. You this interview also we had planned long time back, but because of your job commitments, we could not. So I really admire your discipline and your commitment towards your job. So I'm sure that your organization is going to benefit by your services, Vinayak ji.
Thank you, sure.
Thank you for your precious time, Vinayak ji, and really congratulate you. This Friday, we will welcome you in the Carnegie Club of Success official. So, of course, you are going to be there for Friday Mastermind call. So, this time we'll be going on the Telegram group and welcoming you in our success. Thank you so much for giving
Thank you.
This is Vinayak Sangle ji from Pune, and what an amazing success story. And this is really close to my heart, because in this pandemic, when people are struggling with their jobs and maybe not having their jobs, or maybe jobless or job cut, salary cut, he entered the academy. He was not having a job, but he trusted the process. He trusted the academy, and something moved in him. He applied the principles of Think and Grow Rich. He came for the Friday Mastermind calls. He took some action, and he's right now in a 20 lakh package, which is his dream job. That's Vinayak Sangle's success story in this pandemic. If you would like to have your dream job, agar aapko aapki success story chahiye, then click on the link below and enter our academy, and we will make sure that we can truly teach you how to truly think and grow rich. This is Siddharth Shah. Like kariye Vinayak Sangle ji ki success story ko, subscribe kariye hamare channel ko. This is Siddharth Shah from the Napoleon Hill Foundation in India. Thank you so much for watching this success story on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.